Hey everyone, I'll be explaining memoization in this tutorial. So I'll give an example to explain how memoization actually works. I'll take an addition function here to explain memoization. So when I have an addition function which takes two arguments, add 1 comma 2. So I'll basically add 1 plus 2 in the body of that argument function, and we return 3. So if I want to perform again the same addition function with the same parameters, I don't want to perform this operation again. I just want to return the value 3. So when we execute this function, we'll store this 3 in a cache memory, and when we have the same input as the arguments to the function, we won't perform the addition operation, we'll directly return the result. So I will demonstrate this using JavaScript. So first I'll create an object called as cache, and now I will create an add function which takes two arguments a and b, and now I want to store this a and b in the form of a string so that I can store this it in cache object as a key value pair. So I'll store it in a variable called key, and I'll have to convert it into string JSON using JSON.stringify, and I'll store this in the form of array a comma b. So how the output, how it will look is a comma b. This is how it will look. For example, if I pass here 10 and 12, it will look like 10, 12. So we have the key ready. So we'll check whether this key is already present in cache first. If cache of key is already present, for example, if this value 10 plus 12, it will be 22. So if this is already present in cache, I will write return cache of key. So 10 and 12, 22 will be returned. I'll write here for our reference, result from cache. Else, if this key is not there in the cache, then I will add a plus b. That is, we won't get the result from the cache. I will add a plus b here. So I will store it in a variable called result. Once result is equal to a plus b, and I'll store it in the cache now. Cache of key, that is, we got the key here. So cache of key is equal to result. So if 10, 12, 10, 12, 22, this key value pair is not in cache, we will store this 10, 12 is equal to 22 in the cache, and I'll return the result. So for our reference, I'll write here result from computation. So that's it, guys. I will call the function here now. Console log add 1 comma 2. So if I execute this, result from computation. So this result from computation, I got 3 because 1 comma 2 was not there in cache. So if I write here cache here, at the beginning cache is empty. Yeah, we have an empty object. So 1 comma 2 is not there in cache. So this line will get executed. Result from completion is 3. After execution, if I console log cache, yeah, at the beginning it is empty. After the computation, this gets stored in the cache 1 comma 2 3, just like this. Now if I again console log add 1 comma 2, so we don't want again to perform the computation, we just want to directly get the result from the cache. So let's execute it now. Yeah, during the first line of code it's getting the result from computation. This line of code we were executing, we are getting the result from the cache. So this is how memoization works, guys. Thank you.